everyone, welcome back to our channel. And if you are searching for a property in close proximity to Clark International Airport, Clark Freeport Zone, well, this property is for you. This is a fully renovated bungalow residential, fully furnished and with pool. When I say in close proximity, I mean a 10-minute drive to Clark International Airport. At sa mga katulad ko na bias sa bungalow, if you love the space sa labas, you love it even more pagdating natin sa loob. Kaya before we begin, please don't forget to click like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get more updates on our videos. This is your host, Anna, and we're Blueprint Properties, Pampanga. Let's begin sa ating lot area, 350 square meters lot area and 285 square meters floor area. Nakikita nyo na yung pool natin, kaya ipapakita ko na muna yung pool natin. Ang dimension nito ay 8 by 4 by 4.3 meters. At ang depth niya ay 4 feet. From where kayo dyan nanonood, papakita ko kung gaano siya kalaki kasi here. So, dito yung dulo niya, guys. Ganyan siya kalawak, kalayo. So, mag-enjoy talaga kayo if you have gathering dahil lahat po kayo ay makakapag-swimming. Yan. 4 feet ang depth niya, so hindi masyadong, well, it's safe for kids. No? At meron kang portion dyan na pang kids din. May mga steps din dyan, so you can stay there. At ito ang kanyang pool side. So, meron ka ng table at meron ka na rin mga stools. Here. Pwede mo namang i-change yan just in case gusto nyo yung mga parang, ano bang tawag doon? Yung sa beach, yung mga benches. At pakita ko yung layo ng, ng ating parking. Okay. Parallel parking to, meaning magkatapat yung sasakyan, pero it's good for two. At meron ka pang space kung gusto mo pang maglagay ng motorcycle. So, ganun kalawak yung space niya. Ito yung gate natin. Ganun kalawak yung space. Mas ma-appreciate yan pag kayo yung nandito later, pag ikot ko. And also, what I love about it, since parang built siya for gathering, dahil itong space na to, pwede itong lagyan ng tables, pwede mo itong lagyan ng mga tables and chairs, ayan, play area, yung mga bata dito, and the privacy, dahil mataas yung fence natin. Ayan. Hindi ka magiging concerned about that because you have a very high fence or you have a high fence. Okay, palit kami ni Sir. Dito siya at nang makita niyo kung gaano siya kalawak dito. Kasama na to, guys, ha? A solid wood and stools na pwede mong gawing bar area. Pwede mo lagay dito yung mga chairs and then here you can make your drinks here or pwede rin naman kung gusto mong mag-coffee, pwede rin dito. So meron ka ng enough tables and chairs sa labas pag gusto mong mag-relax lang. Ang luwang, oh, 'di ba? Sabihin ko na rin yung flooring, I forgot to mention kanina. Yung flooring natin, hindi kayo madudulas, guys, kasi mixture siya ng tiles and wash-out pebbles. So safe sa mga batang naglalaro-laro, tumatakbo-takbo while you're swimming. Dito sa side na to, papakita ko to later. Like if you're talking about space, extensive location or extensive partition, this is the property, guys. Sobrang I love this property. Also, this property kasi, I would consider it a rare find dahil sa location niya, which is 10-minute drive to Clark International Airport, hindi ka makakakita ng ganyang price range with ganito kalaking property dito sa location niya. So it's really a catch kapag ito ay nakuha ninyo. Pwede lang talaga, gusto ko talaga to. Okay. So papasok na tayo. I mentioned this is fully furnished, kaya expect, sabi ko kanina, if you love it sa labas, you'll love it even more pagpasok. And when I say that, ganito kasi yan. So pagpasok mo, this is a fully renovated property in a contemporary and I would say modern design property siya. Contemporary kasi it's more of the space and the layout of the property. We have an open layout and this portion is still part of your living area. You can make this your foyer as well. Sa kanila, ginawa nilang game corner. If you want to make this your gym area, pwede rin. Because sobrang spacious niya. Tignan mo naman, makakaikot pa si Sir Don dito. And sa gitna, this is the modern side. Yung sofa natin, U-shaped, modern design living area. Nakita nyo ba yung open layout natin? Diretso lang. So you have your option kung paano mo gustong ayusin, but still, diba, very spacious kasi siya. So marami kang pwedeng gawin with the space and the design. Ito yung ating TV console. Meron tayong fluted panels and we have shelves here. These are all included. Aircon, TV. So lahat na nakikita nyo during our house tour, these are all included. You have your hanging drawer din dito. So cool. Your rugs. And sobrang natutuwa ako sa mga drop lights natin, center lights natin. Diba? Very elegant. And yung ceiling natin, meron tayong mga spotlights and there's an accent na actually beam to eh, di ba? Pero nagawa nila ng artistic side. So it really looks nice na nagbukang high ceiling yung ating living area. This is your living area. Kita nyo naman gaano ka-spacious yan. At few more steps pa. Nandito na tayo sa ating 10-seater custom-made dining set. This is your dining area. Grabe. Kanina pagdating ko dito, sabi ko, sobrang gusto ko tong property na to kasi yung space talaga, you know, yung contemporary design niya, very masarap sa mata, very cozy. Ayan. Kung mapapansin nyo, yung mga chairs natin, synthetic leather na nakamatchy-matchy dun sa ating living area. And then, ayan, solid wood yan. Kung hinahanap nyo ang kitchen, nandito po ang kitchen natin. An extensive, fully functioning kitchen, formal kitchen. Lahat po yan, kasama po when you purchase this property. Sparkling white quartz, sparkling. Alam mo nyo ba, nung sa first video namin, dyan ako nabulol talaga na sobra. Sparkling white quartz countertop. Ito yan. And double bowl stainless steel sink. And if I may say na yung hot and water heating system natin, centralized siya. So lahat yan, hot and cold na po ang mga tubig natin. Dahil dyan, i-check natin kasi baka tayo yung maano. Pero yun nga, hot and cold ready na po ang tubig natin sa all throughout the property. Double bowl stainless steel sink, you have your drainer. Yan yung storage natin. Wow! Hello, these are all included. Tignan mo, ang cute. Oh, kasama yan. Ang gagawin mo na lang talaga, pagpunta mo, pagkabili mo, lipat ka na agad. Kasi kumpleto na yung gamit mo. So nice. Hello, ang ganda. Diba? Meron kang pull-out dish rack. Shucks. Hindi ko to nakita kanina. O, diba? Pagpasok mo, paparty ka na. Kasi pwedeng-pwede na. Oh. Okay, this drawer, this is a cutlery drawer, but you have to buy yung pinaka-partition niya. But, the spoons you have na. Diba? O, bagong-bago pa. There you go. Oven and microwave. Ayan, bago yan, guys. Bago. Siyempre, meron ka dyan. And ang maganda pa sa kanya, the ref is included as well. Pwede kang tumakbo-takbo, you know, when you're cooking, don't, yan. Kasi yung space mo ample for moving. So, mas masarap gumalaw. Ang ganda ng kitchen. This one is your pantry, pero sila, ginawa mo na lang, the seller, ginawa niya mo ng storage area. But I just want you to see kung gaano siya ka-spacious. Pantry, lahat ng kailangan mo, nandito kasya ka dyan. So, very spacious kasi to eh. Sobra, tignan mo naman. At nandito yung CCTV area mo. Wala sa room mo. So, if you don't want to have a CCTV area doon because some they don't like it na nasa room. They just want to have a booth kung nasaan yon. Grabe oh, lagay mo na lahat ng gusto mong ilagay dyan. And very eye-pleasing pa siya dahil sa barn door natin. Okay. Bago tayo, pakita ko na muna dito. Ito yung sa side kanina na sinasabi ko. Because if you have, since Pilipino tayo, if you have your formal kitchen, of course, meron kang dirty kitchen. And what I love about your dirty kitchen, sobrang lawak niya. Extensive dirty kitchen. Iniiwasan nila yung salamin. Okay. This is your dirty kitchen. At ready na rin siya. Single bowl, wide stainless steel sink, may drainer, Ayan, kumpleto na. Meron ka pang mga drawers dyan. Eto, cutlery drawer. There you go. May stove. Meron ka na rin mga cookware dyan. This is for your LPG. Everything is included, even the ref. Mini version ng dining table. Look, look, look. Diba? Mini version. So cute. At dito naman ang iyong laundry area / dry. Grabe talagang luwang. Okay. If you want to grill, meron kang grill area dito. Oh, meron ka na rin palang, guys, meron ka na rin uling. Dito lang tayo. Kung kaya lang bilhin to, binili ko na. Diba? Sobrang ano na, ready na. Sobrang move in ready, guys. Move in ready na talaga. This is your drying area, grill area, and doon sa isang side kasi ng pool area, hindi ko yung pinakita sa inyo, but yung sa dulo niya, may ikot nyo yung property. This is your laundry area. Ayun yung sa may pool area. And gusto nyo ba makita gaano siya kalayo? Lalakarin ko siya. Tignan nyo siya. Malayo siya, guys. Totoo, malayo. Pero tala na nga. Huwag po sanang matapilok. Yung babaeng tapilukin. Ayan! Ito yung pool area. Diba? So, may ikot mo talaga yung property. Ano, babalik na tayo? Aatras ka ba, sir? Aatras na si sir? Oh, sige. Sabi ni sir, Okay. So, yun. Laundry area at sa ating dirty kitchen. Ito yung bungalow na hiningal ako, ah. Sobrang laki ng space. Pasok tayo ulit. And dito naman sa side na to, ito yung side kanina na pinakita ko sa doon sa may park. Ay, hindi na tayo pupunta doon. Hinihingal na ako. Kaya papasok na tayo, guys. Okay, pagpasok natin, ayan. Papasok na tayo. Sinabi ko pa talaga yung papasok na tayo. Pagpasok natin, before tayo pumunta sa mga rooms natin, I'll show you. Uy! Okay, smart lock pala, guys. Narinig nyo siguro yung door. Smart lock po, yung door doon, and yung actually lahat ng doors ng mga rooms at ng entrance and dito sa back door. Sila ay naka-smart lock. Okay. Hindi nyo to napansin kasi nakatago siya. But this is your maid's quarter. This is your maid's room. You have a full bath. Your full bath dito sa my kitchen, which is also your maid's or your kasambahay's bathroom, full bath. Rain shower. At ang iyong hand shower. Of course, meron kang sink. At ang cute ng mirror mo, nag-change ng color. Diba? Meron ka ring socket dyan. And, dito na ako pupwesto for you to appreciate ang ating maid's room dahil I know that marami po ang nagko-comment nasaan ang maid's room. Now, this is a very spacious maid's room. Nakita nyo na you have single double deck na bed. And meron ka pang cabinet dito. Also, may space ka pa dito. If you want to add dresser, vanity area, or something na, mirror, pwede rin dyan. Sobrang ganda ng room. Very spacious. Natutuwa ako. Okay, next na tayo sa ating, you have an upper level floor. And since bungalow siya, you have an upper level space with a frameless tempered glass partition, or railing, na nagsiseparate lang from your open layout, showing your living area, ayan, to your bedroom. So you have 3 bedrooms, at magsa-start tayo dito. This is your first bed. Grabing spacious naman talaga. At if I'm not mistaken, these are all king-size bed. Yung mga bed natin, king-size bed, move-in ready, guys. You also have your linens, your pillows, nakaayos pa. And I just want to show you kung gaano ka-spacious yan. Aircon included, built-in cabinets. You have TV console. Ayan, may hanging drawers ka pa dyan. If you want to add desk there, pwede rin. But I just want you to appreciate kung gaano ka spacious yung ating first bedroom. And smart lock ang door natin. Next to it, sa gitna nila actually nung susunod na bedroom, you have your full bath as well. Okay. Pababa siya. There. And kung makikita niyo yung shower natin, ayan. Dahil hot and cold, naka-install na yung hot and cold water system all throughout the property. Kaya tignan mo naman yan. Ang cute, ang aesthetic pa. So nice. Muntik ko lang hilain. Mababasa tayo, girl. Ayan. And then, yun. Toilet, sink. Ang cute ng sink natin. Stone siya, oh. Vessel type sink. Stone. And then you have your vanity mirror. Oh, diba? Limito yung red hair natin dyan. Natasha Romanov. Okay. Bedroom 1, bedroom 2. Bedroom 2, same ang kanyang bed. You have the same design as your first bedroom sa kanyang built-in closet, but you have more space here. Pwede kang maglagay dito, no? Pwede ka pa maglagay ng couch, lazy stool, dresser, pwede dyan. And dito, tignan mo naman yung space natin. So, saglitan ko lang dito para makita nyo yung ating built-in cabinet. Tapos, ang ganda ng color niya kasi hindi siya mahirap ternahan. That's what I love about contemporary modern na mga neutral colors. Ang dali mong ternuhan ng mga kung ano-ano ng mga decorations. But if you're minimalist, sobrang ganda na niya na ganyan. And yung bed frame mo, hindi ko lang na-mention kanina, may bed frame ka na. It's your headboard, curtains, so nice. Ay, wow! These are blackout curtains. So cool. Okay. Let's go. At, ang ganda kasi meron kang accent wall dito. Instead of keeping it bare, na walang naka-display, they added your painting. And then, meron kang track lights or spotlight. If you want to add more dito ng mga paintings, tas doon yung itutok yan. And ang ganda ng feels. Alam mo yung mga, yung mga yayamanin ba na mga classmates mo? Tapos, diba, before kasi wala naman masyadong two-story. They opt to have like an upper level space lang for bedrooms. And ang maganda pa dito, low maintenance siya because mas madali siyang linisan. Diba? Tapos hindi ka papapagod na umakyat baba sa stairs. Kaya love ko ang bungalow eh. You have an accent wall dito with LED lights. At ito ang iyong accent bago ka pumasok ng iyong master bedroom. This is your master bedroom. Wow naman. Ay, gusto ko dito. Ang ganda. King size bed. Of course, with drawers. Hindi lang yan dyan. Sa taas din. May space ka pa dito. I can visualize a full-size mirror dito. Full body. Diba ang ganda nandito? So cool. And then, eto. So nice naman yung carpet. TV console, may included na rin yan. Tapos, ayan pa. Everything you see, these are all included. Ang cute naman ng shelves natin. Matchy-matchy talaga sila. There you go. Ayan. Makita nyo naman, bagong-bago sila. O, diba? So, lilipat na lang talaga kayo. Smart lock din. There. And, of course, dito tayo sa ating master bathroom. Sa master bathroom nyo, you have a vessel type sink. Tapos meron kang, ayan. Mapapansin nyo yung ating faucet dahil hot and cold, system na tayo all throughout the property. Kaya ganyan yung design niya. Very clean, very modern ang kanyang atake. Socket. And dito sa part na to, your toilet and bidet, meron ka dito sa side na mga shelves. So, this is perfect for your towels. Hay, namatay. For your towels, for your kung may mga soap ka pa, pwede mong ilagay dyan. Shampoos, pwede. Perfect for storage. Okay? Next, your shower area. This is your shower area. Very neat nga siyang tignan. And then yung color natin is gray pa rin. Floor to ceiling tiles, just like the other bathrooms. Though this one pababa to. And still you have your tempered glass partition. Ganda. Very parang hotel style. Ang ganda. Tapos sobrang spacious, linear drainage din siya. And these are all stainless steel. Okay? I think that's it. And I'll see you sa labas. for our recap. Let's go. And for our recap, this is a fully renovated bungalow residential in close proximity to Clark International Airport, or 10-minute drive to Clark International Airport and a quick drive to Clark Freeport Zone. It has a lot area of 350 square meters and ang kanyang floor area ay 285 square meters. Special features of the property, aside from its location, na very rare nga, I think na-mention ko yun during our house, it's rare to find this kind of property na ganito kalapit sa Clark with that price range, yung mga features na meron siya. You have a pool, 8.4 by 4.3 meters. Ang kanyang dimension, ang depth niya ay 4 feet, and then very spacious yung kanyang parking. Pwede pa siya maging party area, get-together party area, pwede siya. Parallel parking, so perfect for 2 vehicles, and of course, pwede pa siya maglagay ng motorcycle. Ang ngayong open layout, contemporary design with a touch of a punch of modern design. Ayan, napakaganda, very spacious. Airflow lang, hindi mainit, and then lahat pa na nakikita nyo, these are all included. So lahat ng nakikita nyo during our house, lahat po ito included. Kaya move-in ready na po siya. You also have your spacious bedrooms. 3 bedrooms yan na sobrang spacious. And you have a separate dirty kitchen, auxiliary kitchen, service kitchen na functional na rin, which is complete na. Ayan, functional na, complete na. So lahat na ng kailangan nyo nandun na. And then very spacious pa yung sa backyard, yung sa likod nyo. Meron kang drying area, your laundry area. It's all about space, functionality, because, you know, pag contemporary kasi more on space and modern more on functionality. So, pinagsama talaga siya. I love the maid's quarter kasi spacious siya, hindi siya basta-basta room lang na ginawa. But it really has a space para hindi lang basta maging kwarto. But I did mention yun nga, yung hot and cold water system all throughout our property. So, kung makikita niyo yung mga bathrooms natin, seamless yung mga showers natin, di ba? Nakita niyo naman yung mga rain shower natin doon dahil nga po, ang ating property ay hot and cold, centralized hot and cold water system na po siya. Ayan. So, kung interested kayo, alam mo, sobrang catch talaga to, guys. So, if you're interested, please don't hesitate to contact us. We are Blueprint Properties Pampanga. Message us on Facebook. Our Facebook page is Blueprint Properties Pampanga. Message nyo lang po kami dyan kung interested kayo. Our Instagram account, Blueprint Properties Pampanga, and you can follow us on TikTok, BP Pampanga. We'll be posting reels while the full video ay ini-edit pa. So, pwede nyo nang makita ang sneak preview ng ating property doon sa ating mga reels. And you can also book your trippings. Sa akin, follow nyo ako sa TikTok and Alalu. Same name po sa Instagram. Pwede nyo mag-book ng trippings dyan. Or kung wala kayong social media account, pwede nyo kaming i-message sa aming different messaging platforms. Of course, we have our Messenger, we have WhatsApp, Viber, may email din kami, at ano pa ba meron kami. Our mobile numbers, nandiyan na rin. Kung wala pa rin, guys, message kayo dito sa YouTube channel. Though makikita nyo sa mga description natin, nandun na lahat ng ating mga contact details. There you go. And special shout out po to Sarmiento family, Miss Rosel, Sir Owen, Sebastian, and Ruben na na-assist po namin last Saturday. Thank you so much, and really look forward finding a home for your beautiful family. So we'll see you very soon. And thank you also to Miss Lucky Carosa for assisting us sa property na ito. Ayan. A quick plug-in lang din dahil ang sasabihin ko, ang ipa-plug-in ko ngayon ay just a 10-minute drive. Actually, parang pwede siyang walking distance. So I haven't tried it yet, pero quick drive lang siya. Around 10-minute drive to the first and the only climbing gym here in Pampanga is now open. Meron akong kodigo. This is Flow State Bouldering Gym, at ito ay located sa PhilAm Friendship Highway here in Angeles City. Again, that is Flow State Bouldering Gym, the Pampanga's first and only climbing gym, open to all skills, levels, and complete beginners. Pwede kayo. Their facilities include 150 square meters of bouldering space, a fully air-conditioned facility, showers and lockers, equipment, rental din ay available sa kanila. Also, they also have trainers pagdating ninyo. So if you're interested about this sport or this activity, just visit their gym, Flow State Bouldering Gym. And kung starter ka, for starters, you can check their YouTube channel. Ayan, you can like, follow, and share nyo naman yan. AE Climbing TV. Ayan. So you may also see AE pag nandun kayo sa gym nila, and he may share some tips pa sa kanyang climbing journey. So again, that is Flow State Bouldering Gym in Phil-Am Highway, Friendship, Angeles City. Maraming salamat po again for joining us sa another Houser, and we look forward seeing you again sa aming mga subscribers. Thank you so much. Kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe, please don't forget to click like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get more updates on our videos. This is your host, Anna, and we're Blueprint Properties, Pampanga, where your house speaks. This is a fully renovated... sorry. Before we begin, nauna yung floor area natin ay 284. Ay, sandali, tama ba? Wait lang. It's like, wait lang. Ano ba ang tawag dito?